is resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello friends, this is Shreyans Kothari and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of S.Chan Academy. Yes, you have landed the right place because here we are with the video solution of Quantitative Aptitude. Man, this is the book. This is the book you need for any examination. I think the most comprehensive book for Quantitative Aptitude in any competition. You name the competition exam. You want to go for UPSC, it is there. You want to go for bank, you want to go for SSC, railways, campus recruitments, whatever you want to go for, just go for this book first. And this book is a gateway for all the competition examination. आपको क्या करना है? This channel provides you a lot of video solutions. The basic concept we follow is we just clear the concept first and we take some of the questions from the chapters so that you get everything about that chapter in a single video. अगर आपके पास book नहीं है, अभी जाइए book लीजिए. But this video can act as a standalone video because by using this video, by viewing this video, the chapter will be clear itself. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting time, let's move to the chapter. So here we are with chapter number 2, that is Hcf and Lcm of the numbers. What is Hcf? That is highest common factor. What is Lcm? Lowest common multiple. Let's know about it. Let's us see. Here we are with the important facts and formulas. What we'll do is just do the basic concept of the chapter. We'll see what exactly these chapter mean and then we'll do some questions, right? So here we are with the factors and multiples, right? What is factors and multiples? If a number A divides another number B, exactly we say A is factor of B. That means अगर कोई A completely B से divide हो जाता है, not like that, do it other way around. अगर कोई B completely A से divide हो जाता है, then A is factor of B. A एक छोटा नंबर होगा जो B को पूरा divide कर देगा, that A will be factor of B. B is multiple of A. Multiple of A का मतलब क्या है? Say for example, I tell you B by A. So if B that's completely divides by A, then A is factor and A का multiple, that is B. So B is multiple of A is factor of B. ये दोनों terms हमको ध्यान रखने. Now what is highest common factor? You will commonly see, कोई भी math का teacher बोलेगा HCF ले लो, LCM ले लो. So what exactly HCF is? What exactly LCM is? Let's see. HCF is highest common factor or known as greatest common measure or a greatest common divisor. They all the three are same. The HCF of 2 or more than 2 numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. You need to find the greatest number which divides the both of them or 3 of them or 4 of them, but that will be the greatest number which divides them all exactly. Exactly means without leaving any remainder. Completely, it wants to say. There are 2 methods of finding the HCF of a given set of numbers. So you cannot find a HCF of a single number. It must be like 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. And there are 2 methods. First method is factorization method. Express each one of the given numbers as the product of prime factors. The product of least powers of common prime factors gives HCF. What does it say? It says that दोनों नंबर को या तीनों नंबर को या ऑल द नंबर्स को सबसे पहले आप प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर्स में तब्दील कर दीजिए, चेंज कर दीजिए. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लीस्ट पावर्स common prime factors is known as HCF. What is it? Say for example, we took a question from the book itself, right? Find the HCF of this number, then this number and this number. It is divided in prime factors itself, right? Now what to do? We need prime numbers. Common to given numbers is 2, 5 and 7. All these have 2 and 5 and 7. This has 3 but not 3 here. This has 3. So first thing is it must be common to all. So 2, 5 and 7 are common to all. Now what is required? The least number, right? So 2 has 2 here, then 3 is not required, 5 has nothing on it, and 7 has 2. So 5 has nothing on it, 2 has 2, and this. You need to find the least power of that. So in all the 3 numbers, 2 has the least power of 2, 5 has the least power of 1, and 7 has least power. We are not looking for the maximum power. The minimum power 2 has gotten any, right? So just multiply them, HCF. So HCF of these 3 numbers is 980. That's it. We move on to the next way of finding the factors, right? Division method. Sometimes it is known as long division method. Division method or long division method. Suppose we have to find the HCF of 2 given numbers. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. आपको 2 नंबर का HCF निकालना है. Larger number को छोटे वाले नंबर से divide कर दो. Divide the divisor by the remainder. जो remainder बच गया ना, उससे वापस divisor को divide करो. Repeat the process dividing the preceding number by the remainder. Last obtained till 0 is obtained as remainder. The last divisor is known as HCF. अब ये क्या होता है? चेक करते हैं बॉस. उससे पहले यहां एक बात लिखी है, फाइंडिंग द HCF ऑफ मोर देन 2 नंबर्स. अगर मुझे मोर देन 2 नंबर्स का HCF निकालना है लॉन्ग डिविजन मेथड से, व्हाट टू डू? Suppose we have to find the HCF of 3 numbers, then HCF will be any 2 first, and then that HCF plus the third number gives the HCF of 3 number. Similarly, more than 3 can be done. मैं एक example लेके आया हूँ from the book itself. We have to find 513, 11534 and 1215. इनका तीनों का highest common factor we need to find out. हमने कोई भी 2 ले लिए. See, कोई भी 2 ले लिए. One is 1215, other is 1134. Just divide this so that we get 81, right? Now do one thing. This will come here. Remainder will be here. Divisor जो है उसको यहाँ ले आइए, divisor. So 81 when divided by this gives 14. Then this is 324 and it is 0. So 81 is the HCF of these 2 numbers. 81 is the HCF, highest common factor of these 2 numbers. Now, तीनों का निकालना है. So any 2 का निकाल दिया, 81 आया. 81 और 513 का निकाल लेते हैं. 81 and 513 same process we apply. 513 is divided by 81, so we get 486 6 times. Just divide the 27. So 81 comes here. 27, 81 3 times. So 27 is the highest common factor of all the 3. That is 513, 1134 and 1215. So this is the method you need to do. Divide and put the divisor again. Divide, put the divisor again. Till you get 0. Similar way this thing. So finally we have got the HCF way. Now let's move on to the lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Lowest or least, right? Least common multiple, what is it? The least common number, that is the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given number is known as least common multiple. We want to know the least number which is exactly divisible by each of them. Find the LCM of, say for example, 87 and 145. We have this factorization method of finding LCM. Factorization method, same. Resolve each of them given number into a product of prime factors, right? Then LCM is the product of highest power of all the factors. When it was HCF, it was the lowest power. When it was LCM, so remember that. If it is HCF, least power. When it is LCM, we want the highest power. Just remember this formula. For HCF, we need the least power. For LCM, it is the highest power. Because it is lowest common multiple, so multiple will be bigger than these number, right? Bigger than these number. So 87 can be written as 3 into 29. And 145 can be written as 5 into 29. So what we'll do is 3, 29 and 5. We multiple them all. We got 435 as LCM of 87 and 145. Let's do one more. 72 can be written as 2 cube 3 square. 108 can be written as 3 cube 2 square. Then 2100, this can be written as. So take each of them with the, if it is least, then take the highest. So highest of 2 is 3. Highest of 3 is 3. Highest of 5 is a square, then 7. So we have got multiply this and this will be the least common multiple. So in starting, when the chapter started, we said what is multiple and what is factors. Factor, what is in the numerator part, denominator part, and multiple, which was in the numerator part. Let's move on to one more method of finding LCM, and that is the common division method. Common division method. Earlier it was long division method. Now here is common division method. Do one thing. Arrange the given numbers in a row in any order. Any order is okay. Divide by a number which divides exactly at least one of them, and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Repeat the above process till you get all the numbers divisible by the same number except one. Say for example, we need to find 16, 24, 36 and 54. We need to find LCM of these numbers, right? We'll start with 2. So 2 gives 8, 2 gives 12, 2 gives 18 and 2 gives 27. Again 2. So 2 gives 4, 2 gives 6, 2 gives 9. And 27 when not divided by 2, leave it, just put it here again. Again 2, so we get this 4 ka 2, 6 ka 3, 9 ka 9. Now this by 2. So 3 ka 1, 3 ka 9 and 3 ka this. So we have got finally एक 2 मिला, एक 1 और 1 मिला, एक 3 मिला. इधर देखिए 3, 3, 2, 2, 2 मिला, right? So what we'll do is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and then these 2 into 3. So get 432 is the least common multiple of 16, 24, 36, 54. We move on to the further thing. Now we move on to the questions. So we have found HCF, LCM. How will be they used? What is the application of them? Let's do some of the question and we'll let you know. So let's see what does question say. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 84 and 21. So 21 is HCF, 84 is LCM. If the ratio of two numbers is 1:4, then the larger among the two number. Let one number be x and the other number is 4x. Let's suppose we did that, first thing. Now second thing you must remember, there's a formula that when you multiply both the numbers and when you multiply HCF and LCM, they will be same. Writing again. So multiply both numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. You must remember this. So multiply the numbers. See, we have one number as x and other is 4x. So x into 4x is equal to what? 84 into 21. So 84 into 21. This formula you must remember because this will be used many a times. See, x into x is x square is equal to 84 into 21 divided by 4. Why 4? Because 4 goes down. So here we go. We have 21. So x square is equal to 21 into 21. That means x square is equal to 21 square. It says that x is equal to 21. Now let's see what the question says. What the question says. Then the larger among the two number, we need to find the larger number, right? The number x is 21. The larger will be 4x. 4x will be 4 into 21, that is 84. Is there any option 84? Yes, we have. So here we go. The larger number is 84. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Here we go. It is Sscgl Tier 2 Examination 2017 previous year question. Let's see what does it say. Two pipes of length 1.5 meter and 1.2 meter are to be cut into equal pieces without leaving any extra length of pipe. So we don't want any wastage, right? The greatest length of the pipe, pieces of the same size which can be cut into. So they want factors. If you remember, this is the factor they need. They don't want any of the pipes wasting, and they just need the greatest number so that this pipe can be cut into. So when the pipe can be cut into, they want the factors, and they want the greatest number one. So that is the highest common factor. So out of 1.5 and 1.2, what is the common factor, right? Highest common factor you need. So this can be like 15 and 12. So from the 15 and 12, there is the common number is only 3. So 3 is 15 and 3 is HCF of 15 and 12. So 0.3. 0.3 is highest common factor of 1.5 and 1.2. Here we go. We got the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Now, what is it given? Question number 15, again from Sscgl paper. The HCF of two number is 21. So, HCF is given. LCM is 221 times the HCF. Great. If one of the number lies between 200 and 300, then the sum of the digits of the other number is, right? So, the highest common factor is 21, right? So, we write that if the, say for example, let the two numbers. So, let the first number will be 21 into x and the second number is 21 into y. Why is so? Because highest common factor is 21 only. So, that will be multiplied by 21 for sure. Now, we know it very well that the multiple of HCM and LCM is equal to the multiple of the numbers, right? So, what is HCF? HCF is 21. And LCM is 221 times HCF. So 221 times 21. This is actually the HCF and LCM multiplication. Then equal to what? Equal to is the multiplication of these two numbers. So 21x into 21y. Now this we need to calculate, right? Now what is here? Here we put xy here and put all the 21 there. So 21 into 221 into 21 divide by 21 into 21. So we get cancelled every 21. So now we have xy is equal to 221. So 221, let's split into 2. So it can be like 13 into 17. So xy will be 13 into 17. Now we have found xy. So one may be x, one may be y. Now what are the numbers? Numbers is one number. Number one is 21x. So 21 into 13. And the second number is 21 into 17, right? So these are the two numbers we have found. Let's calculate this 21 into 13, right? So we have got 21 here, we got 13 here, just multiply 3 and 1, we got 6 and 2, we got 3, 7 and 2. That is the first number. Now 17 here and 21 here, so we get 7 and 1. We have got 14, 1, 2 and 1, 3. So we got 7 here, 4 and 1, 5 here and we got 3 here. Now we have got two numbers, 273 and 357. These are the two numbers, 273 and the other number is 357. These are the two numbers, right? Now let's see what is asked. If one of the number lies in 200 and 300, right? So 200 and 300, this is the number. The other number is 357 and it is saying, what is it saying? It is asking the sum of the digit of the other number. So sum of the digits of 3 and 5 and 7. So 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 and 7 is 15. So answer is 15. Is there any option like 15? Yes, we have. Let's move on to the next question. Here we need to find out HCF of these three numbers. So we can go with any other form, say for example factorization method or the long division. Factorization you need to do when you know all the factors of this, but I don't think that will be easy. So what I'll do is I'll do the long division method, right? So what we'll do is put 132 here and put 204 here, right? So when I do one time, it gets 132. We get 2 here and 20 minus 13 is 72 here. Now put that 132 again here, 132. Now 72 is like one time. If we put 72 here, what we'll get? We'll get 7 to 2 here. So 2 minus 2 is 0 and 13 minus 7 is 60. So we put 72 inside. Now let's do 1 times 60 here. Now it is 60, put 12 here. Now if it is 12 and put 60 again. So 12 is 5 times divisible by 60. So highest common factor among these two, 204 and 132 is 12. So what I'll do is 12 I'll keep here and let's give the second number 222. So we'll divide it by 222, 228, right? So when we do it like 1 times we get 12. Now we get 108, right? 108. So it is 9 times. So it is like 108. So it is 0. So 12 is the HCF. Is there any option like 12? Yes, we do have. So question number 20, the answer is A. Let's move on to the next question. Here we go. Question number 21. What does it say? The three numbers are given. What will be the LCM, right? The three numbers are 2A, 5A, 7A. What will be the LCM? So we need to find out the common factors, common multiples. So 2A, we have got 5A, we have got 7A. So let's find out what are the common things. We got 2 here, 5 here, 7 here and 1A. So just multiply 2 into 5 into 7 into A. That is 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 7 is 7. So 70A is the answer. Is there any option 70A? Yes, we do have, and that is the answer. We move on to the next question. Here we go. We have ratio of two numbers given. So ratio of two numbers given. Their LCM is 120. Find the sum of the numbers. So ratio is 3:4. So let the number be 3x and 4x. And that x is the highest common factor. That is HCF also. So we multiply this and x into LCM, that is 120. Why should we do that? Because that is the highest number. And that highest number when multiplied by this will be the multiple of the numbers. So this and this are equal, right? So we just cancel out 1x out of it. 3 4s are 12. X is equal to 120. So x is equal to 10. Now if I get x is equal to 10, then the numbers are 30 and 40. Now what is asked? We have been asked the sum of the numbers. So sum of the numbers is 30 and 40, 70. Here we go. We move on to the next question. Here we go. Now this is a bigger question. Let's see what does it say. It's a CLAT 2016, a very good question for you all. The traffic lights at 3 different signal points change after every 45 seconds, 75 seconds and 90 seconds. If all change simultaneously at 7:20:15 hours, then next time when will they change? So what we need to do? So similar type of questions come when the bell rings and it rings after some minutes and when they will ring simultaneously, something like that. In the similar way, we need to find out what? See, we need to find out the lowest common multiple, the least common multiple of all these. So let's find out, because that is in seconds. So we'll put 45 here, 75 here and 90 here. Let's do the HCF part, LCM part. So first we multiply, divide it by 5. So we get 9 here, then we have got 15 here and then we have got 18 here, right? Let's do it again by 5, so that we got 9 here, 3 here and 18 here. Now let's do it by 3. So we got 3 here, 1 here and 2 here. And I think this is okay. So 5 into the least common multiple is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2, right? So 5 3s are 15. 15 threes are 45. So I just got this 45 and 5 and 2 is 10, I know. So 45 into 10 is equal to 450. So 450 seconds are there, right? Now what is 450 seconds? Let's divide this 450 seconds divide by 6060. So we do it 7 times, right? 7 times and we get 420. The remainder is 30. So it is like 7 minutes and 30 seconds. How come we have arrived? When you divide 450 divide by 60, that means you want to convert into minutes. So how many minutes are there? 7 minutes. Remainder is 30 seconds more. So 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So after 7 minutes and 30 seconds, this they will change again simultaneously. So now it is 7, 20 and 15. So after 30 and 7, so it will be 3 minutes, 27 seconds and 45. 7 hours, 27 minutes and 45 seconds. So is there any option 45 seconds? Yes, it is. 27, yes. So here we go. CLAT 2016 cracked. So now you understand, if it is like similar type of question with the bell ring or anything else, any traffic light question, you just need to find the LCM of all. LCM is the least common multiple. When it will be multiplied, it will change again into the same thing, right? Here we go. We move on to the next question. Again, CLAT question. What are the factors of 330, right? So 330, it is for sure that 330 when divided by 10, that is 5 into 2, the remainder is 33. And 33 can be written as 3 into 11. I have done a very simple math. So 3 into 11, 5 into 2. So 4 to nahi aayega. 3 into 11, 13 nahi aayega. So 3 into 11, 5 into 2. That is the answer. That is the best way you can do, because if it is 0 at the end, just do it 5 into 2, that is 10. Remainder, you can again do it. So these are the factors. Again, this came in CLAT 2010. So let's move on to the next question. Here we go. We have this question number 35. What it says is, just find out the HCF. So let's find out the HCF. It will be like 3, 5, 5, 6. Then it will be divided by 3, 4, 4, 4, right? So when I do this just one time, so 3, 4, 4, 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. And we have 3, 4, 4, 4, right? Let's divide it further. So when I multiplied by 3 times, I guess 3 and 6. So that will come as 8 and we have 4 here, right? So we have got 84. So just again do it by 112. It's like one time we got 84. So when you do 84, you get 12 minus 4, that is 8. Now it will be 10 minus 2 is 28. Now again do it 28. So we have got 84 here, right? Let's do it 28 into I guess 8, 4. When you do it 4 into 8. So I guess 3 times. When you multiply this by 3 times, 8, 3, 24, 3, 2 are 6 and 2. So 84. So 28 is the last number. Is that any option called 28 in the question? Yes, we do have. So now you know why it is known as long division method. It is because it is divided by a long way to go. So 35 has got answer D. Let's move on to the next question. What does it say? It says that A and B and C are 3 numbers such that, see, LCM of A and B is B. Okay, great. And then LCM of B and C is C. So if we need the lowest common multiple, so it must be a common multiple for all the 3. So common multiple for C. C will be multiple of B and A both, because B is multiple of A, C is multiple of B, and that is the lowest common number. So C is the answer. That is the simplest question in all the chapter. In this whole chapter, right? Now we move on to question number 60. Let's see what does it say. It says that 21 mango trees, 42 apple trees and 56 orange trees have to be planted in rows such that each row contains the same number of trees of one variety only. Minimum number of rows in which the trees may be planted, right? So what we'll do is just find the HCF of this, because it is distribution part. So you will get a lower number. So HCF of 21, 42 and 56. The best way, 21 can be written as 7 into 3. Now this 42, this can be written as 7 into 3 into 2, because 21 ka double hai. And then 56. So 56 when divided by 2, so it will be like 2 into 28, and 28 can be written as 7 into 4. That 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So we have got 7 into 2, 14 into 2, 28 into 2, 56. Now what is the, so we need to find out the highest common factor. See, there is this 2 missing here and there is this 3 missing here. So here there is no 3, no 2. So the highest common multiple factor is 7. That is the highest common factor. No other factor near to it, right? So 7 is the HCF, right? Let's see what is the question now. 7 we have found the HCF. Now what is say? Minimum number of rows we need to find. And each row there are 7 things. So what we'll do is 21, 42 and 56. Just add them up all. So we got 21, 42 and 56. When you add 6 plus 1, 7 and 2, 9. We've got nothing here. So 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 5, 11. So 119 we have. Now if we do just one thing, 119 divide by 7. So we got 1 time and then we have 49, that is 7 times. So 17 rows of 7 plants each will be required. 17 rows. Here we go. 17 is the answer. So in this way you need to find out how we come. Let's move on to the next question. So we need to find out the LCM, right? So what is the LCM of 12, 18, 21 and 30? We have these numbers with us. We'll do the basic calculation, right? So what we'll do? Oh, 27 is like 7 times. So we got 4 here. Then, oh sorry, not 4. I'm sorry. We got 12, then 18, then 3, then 30. Now we'll do is 3 times. So, or 5 times instead. We'll do with 5 times. We got 12 here, 18 here, 3 here and 6 here. Now we can go with 3, right? So we have got 4 here, 6 here, 1 here and 2 here. So do it like 3 again. We got 4, 2, 1, 1. Sorry. 2. Again by 2. So we got 2, 1, 1, 1. So what we'll do is, we'll multiply all of them. From starting from here, we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 is like 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So I know that 5 and 2 are 10, so leave it. 3 and 2 are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 into 10 into 7. So what is 18 into 7? 7 into 8 is like 5, 6, 5 here, 7 ones are 7, 7 and 5 is 12, 126 into 10 is 1260. So this is the number we have arrived. Now let's read the question again. We need to find out what will be the least number which when doubled. So this is the double of that number. So let that number is x. When you multiply by 2x, double that number is 1260. We need to find that this number is doubled of the actual number. So when we have multiplied by 2, we got this. So x is equal to divide by 2 is 630. Is there any option 630? Yes, we do have. And that is the final answer. This is the way you do, right? We move on to the next question. Okay, let's do this question. Question number 72, SSC previous year question paper. The greatest number which when subtracted from 5834 gives a number exactly divisible by this. So we need to find out first exactly divisible by this, then we need to find out the LCM of this. So let's find out LCM first. Okay, here we go. We need to find out LCM of 20, 28, 32 and 35. So what we'll do is just divide everything by 7 first, so that we got 20 here, 4 here, 32 here and 5 here. Just do 5 times, so 4 here, then we have got 4 here, then got 32 and 1. Now you just need to do like 2, so it will get 2, 2, 16, 1. 2 again, 1, 1 and 8 and 1. And this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So we have got 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 2s here. 4, 5. So 2 raised to power 5 into 5 into 7. So 5 into 7, that is 35 we have. And 2 raised to power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 3 times 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 32. So we have got 32 here, right? So do one thing, 32 into 35. That is what required, right? So just do that. 5 into 2 and 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. Now we have 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we got 0, then 6 and 6 is 12, we got 1, 9 and 2 is 11. So we got 11 and 20 as LCM. Now what is asked? Let's see what is asked. It says that the greatest number when subtracted from this. So we want 5, 8, 3, 4. When subtracted to this will give a number which is exactly this. So it will be like 1120. So what we'll do? We'll do like that. So what we'll do? X, let's put X there and 112 here. So we have got 5, 8, 3, 4 minus 1120 is equal to X. So X is equal to 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So is there any option like 5, 7, 1, 4? Here we have. So we have finally cracked the code. So LCM and HCF do these questions only. So only these type of questions may come in exam. Let's do some other questions as well. Now this is Specialist Officer 2009 question, and such type of question do come in exam. Remember that. So 3 girls start jogging from the same point around a circular track, and each one completes a round in 24 seconds, 36 seconds and 48 seconds, right? So after how much time will they meet at one point, right? They started at 0 point and they started circular, right? So what do? We do one thing. Just find out the LCM. LCM is the key, man. We have got 24, we have got 36 and we have got 48. We need to find out the LCM of these 3. So we got 2 times. So when we do 2 times, 24 is 12, 36 is 18 and 48 is 24. Again do it 2 times. So 12 is like 6, 18 is like 9 and 24 is like 12. Again do it 2 times. So we got 3 here, we got 9 same and it is 6. So we got 2 again. Let's do 2. So 3 and 9 and I guess now this is 3. So we get 3 now. So 1, 1 and 3. Now we have all the things done. We have got 3 into 3 and 2 into 4 times. So 2 raised to power 4 into 9. That means 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 into 9, that is 144. So 144 seconds are there after they'll meet. Now 144 seconds, what is 144 seconds? We know it that 120 seconds makes 2 minutes, right? And remaining is 24 seconds. So after 2 minutes and 24 seconds, after 2 minutes and 24 seconds, they'll meet. Here is the answer. 2 minutes, 24 seconds, they'll meet at the same point. So in this way, you can do all the HCF LCM questions and do more than that questions. I have in this book very much similar type of questions. So I have left some questions for you to do. One thing you need to remember, and that is the only thing we need. We need that you must share this to all. Sharing is caring. You know it very well. सभी को share कर दीजिए. आपके फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली मेंबर्स, जहां पे आपको लगता है दैट दे आर working on competition exam, they must get this link by you. So this is the promise you made, that share it to all. And if you have got this from your friends or family, just subscribe to the channel. This channel, your favorite channel, Sscgl Academy. Thank you.